video, I tried to film it last week, and I realized that the part when I was doing my eyeshadow was completely out, and also the part when I was putting on my wig was, I don't know, the clips were gone. So I'm gonna do it over now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys how I install my wig. This is a wig I've been wearing for the past week and a half. There's a picture on Instagram. A lot of you guys been asking me what wig is it. So this is from Wiggins Hair company. I'll have all the information in the description bar. This is 20-inch loose wavy, and all I did was add elastic band to it, and then I just use my pump it up spray to install it. So I'm gonna do this on camera, and then I'm gonna just do my eyes again, but then use the clip from before that I did my face, because it's gonna look different, but it'll make sense. I love this. Wait, look at that. And I did the elastic band method because I wanted to be able to wear it glueless. So that's how it looks. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to use my pump it up spray and just let this melt into my skin a little bit more, along with my blow dryer and a rat tail comb. So I'm gonna ensure all these hair is away from my face and not in the wig or anything like that. Done. I'm going to use rubbing alcohol and a rag. Okay guys, so I just prime my lids with some concealer. Now I'm about to use a black eyeliner on my lid as a base for the black eyeshadow that I'm gonna put on later on. Doesn't matter if this is a little bit messy. I'm gonna blend that out. my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So first I'm gonna go into this pale swan. I'm gonna put that in my crease first. It's gonna be my transition color. Then I'm gonna mix these two. And I'm going with this brown. And with a mixture of this and this. But then I'm going in with the black. And I'm gonna blend that out. I'm using my NYX glitter primer. Then the two glitter that I'm gonna show. So crazy without lashes. Lashes do a lot, so I'm just gonna blend that out with some more darkness. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop filming from here because that's pretty much it that I was missing from the video. So I'm just gonna do everything off camera and just insert the clips that I did from before, so you guys can see I'm not gonna do anything else different. I'm gonna use the same products, the same everything. So yeah. This is pretty. So excited. Let's see what my hair looks like now. Ooh, child. I'm gonna do my baby hairs. Gonna add some oil to my hair so it has some sheen, some oil sheen.